Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the secrets to becoming a verified Thumbtack Pro fast. An easy welcome to our channel, where we unlock the secrets to becoming a verified Thumbtack Pro fast and easy. Today, we are diving deep into a detailed step-by-step guide on how to verify your Thumbtack Pro account and start gaining trust from clients immediately. The verification process is essential because it not only validates your professional status, but also helps you appear more credible and trustworthy to potential customers. Let's start from the beginning. First, ensure you have registered your Thumbtack Pro account with accurate and complete information, including your business name, contact information, and service categories. Double-check this information because any discrepancies can slow down the verification process. Next, you will need to provide documentation that proves your identity and business legitimacy. This typically includes uploading a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport, along with any business licenses or certifications related to your trade. Taking clear, high-quality photos of these documents is crucial to avoid rejection. After your documents are ready, log into your Thumbtack Pro dashboard and navigate to the verification section. Here, you will upload the required documents as prompted. It's important to follow the guidelines Thumbtack sets here to make sure everything is uploaded correctly. Once submitted, you must wait for Thumbtack's review process. This can take anywhere from a couple of hours to a few days depending on their current workload. In the meantime, make sure to keep your profile active and updated with recent photos of your work, customer reviews, and any additional certifications you might acquire. Once your account is verified, you will receive a notification in your email or directly on your dashboard indicating your verified status. This status will often be marked with a badge or checkmark that potential clients can see when they view your profile. Being verified will typically increase your chances of winning new jobs and establishing a stronger presence on the platform. Remember, verification is not a one-time process. Keeping your information up to date and renewing certifications as required will help maintain your verified status and grow your business reputation. So, follow these steps carefully and watch your Thumbtack Pro profile become a powerful tool in securing more client leads. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more professional tips and guides to help your business succeed.